At Somaiya Institute of Management, we ensure that we make our students day one ready by inviting industry mentors from various organizations. These mentors help students really understand the industry expectations. The industry mentors actually tell them what are the realities of the job market.
Since Kia is a car manufacturing company, so worldwide as well as in India market, the competitiveness is getting higher. We'll be create the Kia as a unique place to build career properly because they can have their own responsibility on their own tasks. So that means they can create own career paths with doing their own job.
So when Kia came in 2019, and if you see today where does Kia stand? So in top 6 OEMs what are present in Indian market, Kia is one of them. And we are inviting people to come and become a part of this challenge.
At KJSIM, right from the second semester onwards, they are involved in capstone projects, which are case problems or real-life problems that companies face.
Someone who has ownership, creativity, and perseverance, that is the talent we are looking for.
Anyone who wants to really do something different, you want to excel into this automobile industry.
That's the reason why I'm thinking that Kia is the perfect place to develop their own career from the scratch.
KJSIM has really focused on making sure that our students are day one ready. And the way that we have gone about doing this is the emphasis on experiential learning. So in addition to the summer internship, the capstone project and live projects also help them to prepare better integration into the work world.